Stop using AliExpress right now. If you're using AliExpress to fulfill your orders right now, you're doing a big mistake. Please stop right now and watch this entire video. What is going on, Ecom Patrick here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the alternatives to AliExpress. As a dropshipper, especially in the beginning, you do not want to use AliExpress. It may be easier because in the past, it has been a way to fulfill orders, but you don't want to wait 3 to 5 months for your order to get to your customers. So here are the alternatives that you can start selling right now. Before we get right into the video, make sure you go like and comment, and every 2 days of every week, I do weekly group calls on Monday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So be sure you join those calls, ask me any questions, and I'm always there to help you. So let's get right into the video. So as a dropshipper, the main thing is to build a brand. You want to become an e-commerce brand. You don't want to stay as a general store, as a one product store. You want to be known as a real brand, you know, have inventory in a warehouse, have a team, build a team, have customer service, have a fulfillment system in place, have creators making content for your store, you know, having influencers that are working for you. So these are all things that you want as a business owner. And that's what you want to accomplish, right? You don't want to stay with using Zendrop or using a private agent. You know, you want to have a private fulfillment team that is fulfilling your orders for you and, you know, having fast shipping. So having good shipping time is very important, because if you have slow shipping times, then you're going to be dealing with a lot of customers that are angry that they don't have their product, you know, bad reputation for your brand. So super important to, you know, have fast shipping. You know, if a customer wants a refund because they haven't got their order, refund that customer, because you want to maintain your brand. You know, you don't want to lose that brand awareness. You want to maintain the brand at a 5-star level, right? So super important to maintain your brand. You know, don't lose your brand because of some shipping or one order, right? Just try to have a good brand. That's super important, especially with the way Amazon has made everything that you need 2-day shipping, and every customer thinks that every order should come within 2 days. So even if you have fast shipping 3 to 5 days, you'll still get some negative customers that are upset with your fulfillment. So just try to have the best fulfillment possible and the best customer service possible, and I'm sure you'll do really good with drop shipping. There's actually many problems when it comes to fulfilling your orders at AliExpress. Some of them are like long shipping times, waiting 3 to 5 months for your customer to get the product, and that's the most, right? Sometimes they don't even send the product. Not only that, also these suppliers that are fulfilling the orders, they don't really care about you. They have many customers. They have thousands of people DMing them every single day for them to have fulfilled orders. They don't care if you don't get your order, because you're just another customer to them. They don't care how much money you're making for them. You're just another customer. Another one is low product quality. They will send you whatever is the cheapest for them in order for them to make a profit off of you. They'll send some random product that's not even the same quality product that other competitors are selling, just so they can get that product out to your customer and that they can make quick profit. Because it's all about quick profit to these suppliers, to be honest. So that's why you should never use AliExpress, and you should use these other options that you can use right now. So basically there's 3 different types of suppliers. So the first one is using a private fulfillment agent. So this is a very common one. This is the one that I used in the beginning when I first started dropshipping, after I used AliExpress for a little bit, and that's having a private supplier. The way that you can find private suppliers is by going onto Fiverr, searching up fulfillment agent for dropshipping. And this way you can find many different agents from China who are basically dropshipping. There's a manufacturer that's basically making all that product. They basically order that product. Once you start working with them and they're getting orders, they basically order that product, which also adds more processing times towards your fulfillment. But that's how they work. They're basically drop shipping in a way. So once they get that product, then they send it to your customer, right? They don't have any inventory either, just like you. So in a way, they're the middleman of your business. Although this is a very good solution, because you'll actually have faster shipping times. The agent will actually care about you because you're one-on-one with that fulfillment agent, and they'll be able to help you anytime you need any help. Not only that, but they'll also give you higher product quality. You can order the product from them. They'll send you the product. You can look over the product, see if it's a product that you'll be able to sell and that people will like, and that your potential customers will want to buy from you. A fulfillment agent will probably fulfill your orders in 2 to 3 weeks. There's just a long processing time because they have to order the product from that supplier that's manufacturing the product. Then they get the product and then they fulfill it, right? But another thing you can do with these private agents, if you're making a lot of sales, you can order the inventory from them in bulk. That way you get the inventory at their warehouse, and then they can fulfill the orders quickly. So you won't have the 3 to 5 day processing time that you normally get. And another thing that is very good with having a fulfillment agent is that you can negotiate the product cost. So basically, if you want a cheaper product, and you can just tell them oh look, this other fulfillment agent is selling this product for $15 and you want $17. I'd rather go with them. So kind of negotiate with them on the product cost, and that's what they're willing to do. Whereas on AliExpress, they're not willing to negotiate because that's the product on their listing and that's the product price you have to pay for that product. So it's super important to negotiate. Even when you're working with other fulfillment suppliers, it's super important to negotiate with them because you can get a better price from them for sure. The next one is working with a fulfillment team. So this is actually very much so possible. There's a lot of pages that are doing this, like Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping. The one that I use currently in particular is Zendrop. So whenever I start a new product, when I'm starting a new store or anything, then I start using Zendrop. So basically the good thing about Zendrop is their team is actually in North America, so they're a local fulfillment team and it's super easy to communicate them. Whereas working with a fulfillment agent, they're not very easy to work with because they're in China and they're on a different time zone than you. So basically at nighttime for you, that's when they're up, and then when it's morning time, they're going to bed for you. So basically it's a little bit complicated, and that's why I like working with Zendrop because they have like 10 to 20 people working with you on a group chat. Anytime you have any questions, whether it's in the middle of the night or in the morning, they're there to help you right away with anything. So that's why I like to use Zendrop in my opinion. In a way, Zendrop is kind of similar to a fulfillment agent, but there's better communication. Like I said, they have faster shipping times because they find out the best way to fulfill your orders for you. In my experience, they take about 1 to 2 weeks. There's a little bit of a processing time for them. That doesn't mean you're not going to get the product to your customers quickly. Another thing is they hold inventory for you. They'll hold your inventory for you and be able to fulfill your orders even faster. So sometimes it will take 1 to 2 weeks without the processing time. So they're actually faster than using a private agent because they have faster fulfillment systems that basically they use in order to fulfill your orders, where it takes about 1 to 2 weeks rather than waiting 2 or 3 weeks with a private agent. And just like working with a private agent, they're able to negotiate the price. You can tell them one place is selling at this price and they'll renegotiate with you for a better price. I would definitely recommend using Zendrop over a private agent just because of the communication and the faster shipping, and it's just a better experience for you. You can pay invoices that they send instead of sending money through wires and stuff. It's definitely a lot easier for a new dropshipper who's first starting out with dropshipping. So if you're a new dropshipper and you're first starting out, this is the best solution for you, I would say. The last option is the more advanced option, especially if you're already doing a lot of orders and you have a lot of fulfillment, then this is obviously the best option for you, and you're holding a lot of capital, then definitely this is the best option. Basically hiring a private supplier. So this is a lot easier because you can literally order inventory into a warehouse in the US, and then anytime you get an order from the US, they basically fulfill it within 3 to 5 days. So it's super fast shipping and it's super easy for your customer to get the product. And this definitely helps with the 2-day Amazon shipping. People are so used to getting their product in 2 days because of Amazon. Amazon has changed everything for fulfillment, for shipping. So if you don't want to have a bad shipping reputation and you're already making good sales and you know your product's a winning product, then this is the perfect option for you. Get a private fulfillment team to fulfill your orders and you won't have any bad customer service, and you'll be very happy with this. And the way that you can find private suppliers are through many different areas. There's many websites that do 3PL and basically fulfill your orders for you, and they're very willing to do this. Even locally, I know there's a lot in Canada here that have inquired to me on emails, but there's a lot of websites that you can go to that basically do this, especially if you're making sales right now. Even if you're not making sales and you want to order a bunch of bulk inventory, they do this too, right? So it's all up to you how you want to fulfill your orders. But if you're new to dropshipping, I would definitely use Zendrop because it's a very easy way. And if you're interested in working with Zendrop, hit the link below and then sign up with my link. So now to end off the video, I would definitely suggest working with Zendrop. The reason why I would suggest working with Zendrop, especially if you're a beginner, only if you're a beginner, is because they have a North American customer support team. So anytime you have questions, they'll help you anytime, anywhere. So that's the best part of that, right? And not only that, but you're also gonna have faster processing time, faster shipping times, and just an all-around better customer experience for your potential buyers, right? You'll have a better high quality product, you'll be able to get the product in hand. It's just a lot easier as a beginner to drop shipping. If you're more advanced and you already have a lot of orders and you have a lot of capital that you're reinvesting into your business, then I would definitely suggest using a private supplier, right? But it's all up to you. And if you don't want to work with Zendrop, then I would just use a fulfillment agent to fulfill your orders. And if you want to use Zendrop, I have a link in the description that will basically give you easier fulfillment with Zendrop, that will give you a discount for your fulfillment with Zendrop. So hopefully you guys did enjoy that video. Make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I post every Monday and Thursday, and I do 2 weekly calls every single Monday and Thursday 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hopefully I will see you there, and be sure to like and comment like I said, and I'll see you on Thursday for the next video. Peace.